I'd like to tell you about these Caffeine Eye Mask. They are to refresh and hydrate under the eyes and reduce puffiness and eye bags. This is how one envelope looks. I've opened one and this is what's inside. And there's a lot of liquid, so you have to be careful not to spill the liquid. The liquid is a serum. The eye patches are floating in it. So you just take it out, put it on your face. This is going to rejuvenate you. I'll position that better in just a minute after I get the second one out. Let me put the package down. You apply this to freshly cleaned skin and it sticks really well. Leave it on for around 20 minutes. It's great to put these on first thing in the morning to help you wake up and get you going for the day. Or you can do it in the evening. After 20 minutes, pull it off and there will be serum that has seeped out into your skin from these. Massage that into the under eye area and let it dry. You don't have to wipe anything off. You just take the patches off. Let the serum stay on your skin and massage it in. There's a whole box of these. This is what it looks like. Let's see how many. 25 come in a box. So you could do this for 25 days, which is my plan. And I'll see what happens in 25 days. It feels cool and refreshing. That's the beginning of my experiment. If you're looking for under eye patches that will hydrate and refresh, this is what you need. I want to thank the brand for sending me this product to try out so that I could make this video and show you how it works. I'm expecting positive results after 25 days. To try this for yourself, just click on the link below. Get your own box of eye patches.